7 days into my journey of making $1 million. We're currently at 19,500. That is 1.98% of $1 million US. Wow, congratulations. Can we get a round of applause? So as I do my skincare, I'm going to talk about cryptocurrency because that's where all my money is. Out of the 19,500, 18,500, pretty much 90% or more of that is in cryptocurrency. And currently it's taking a huge dump. I mean, a huge shit. I'm still in a profit. Overall, I'm up. However, on one of my trades... I'm sorry, I just have to pause this. I'm editing this video. Does anybody see that neck? I used to have the neck of a pencil. It was the worst thing ever. No matter how cool and buff or masculine I try to look, my neck would make me look shit. So it's been working a little bit. I used to, oh my gosh, okay. I'm still in a profit. Overall, I'm up. However, on one of my trades, which is a leverage trade, I'm down a lot. If I get liquidated on this trade, liquidated means to lose everything. It's fine. Life moves on. Anyways, we'll go along with the flow. I'm currently doing a habit challenge where I practice 3 habits for 10 days. First habit is waking up at 5:30, reading 10 pages of any book. Currently, I'm reading The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I also love digging my ear. And the third habit is making 1 TikTok. This is a 10-day test for a 30-day challenge, which I'll be hosting on my Discord server. So I'm letting in 50 people into my Discord server. We currently have 12 people inside already. We are running a challenge that will be starting on April 10th on towards May 10th. For 30 days, you have to post every day and prove that you're committing to 2 habits, not just 1, but 2 habits. It has to be habits that are provable. For example, going to the gym, where you can take a picture of yourself at the gym every day. Now, if you commit to this and you fail one day, you get kicked out and blacklisted, pretty much never allowed back in no matter what. So if you fail and you want to come back in, you got to pay like $10,000 and we'll split it between the homies in the Discord group chat. So I was deep diving, planning out ways on how I can make $1 million, and I don't want to go through the common route of dropshipping, social media marketing, or starting some sort of agency, which I have honestly no interest in doing. I want to utilize my creativity and my talents to making $1 million. So I came up with an invention. So I noticed that men's wallets are honestly super shit. They all look ass. They look horrible. They're just flappy pieces of leather that hold notes in and hold coins in. It looks old. I'm pretty sure the very first wallet invented looks the same as the wallets that are being created today. There's no class in men's wallets. They all look crap. You know what's funny? Children's wallets look the exact same as men's wallets. It's horrible. So when we end up having to pull out our money during a dinner date, we have to look in. It's so embarrassing to pull out some rustic, old, flappy, flimsy, shitty wallet. But I created the opposite. I designed a wallet that looks so sexy when you pull it out. The way the card opened. The controversial part is that this wallet only stores cards. However, it is so sexy. I'm not even kidding. I'm picturing how the wallet works in my brain, and when you slide that little button in the wallet, I'm not even gonna say too much because I may just give away my invention. This wallet is sexy. All the men and women are becoming... Hold on. Okay, never mind. Ignore me. But basically, this wallet's going to look so sexy. This secret, mysterious wallet that I'm designing right now could become something revolutionary. Well, it is. Because number 1, it's never been done before. And number 2, I have booked and paid for a meeting with someone who manufactures products and can actually get this done. So we're going to talk tomorrow about feasibility and how much it's going to cost. I'm hoping it doesn't cost too much because then I'm going to have to put this on pause and work on something else. The meeting is at 1 p.m. tomorrow. We're already moving quickly. Be proactive and not reactive. Be proactive and not non-proactive. Okay. Motivation's not my thing.